Hi, in this video, I would like to discuss how we can transform the data after extracting data from MS Access database. Access database is a MS Office application which is used to maintain a small amount of data like 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs. Okay, so how we can extract data from MS Access? You have to check here. I have taken this Excel file. Now you have to put your pointer where you want to take the data. I want to extract data in A1. So you have to go to data menu, go to this option from other sources. You have to click on Microsoft Query. In Microsoft Query, one option is MS Access database. So I have taken this one, double click. Now you have to pick the data. If your database is on desktop, you have to click here desktop. Now here is my database Manpreet. So here I have taken it. Now I want to pick the data from employee table. So I have taken this and click on, suppose I want to pick only two columns. So you have to take name. I'm taking name and I want to take salary only. Okay, but click on next. But if you want to pick all the columns, then you have to take this column also. So I have taken all the columns. Now click on next. Okay, so you have to decide the condition. I want to pick data for department equal to management. So you have to take equal to, and here you need to take list of the department like management I want to take, and here again I will take equal to, and I will take here HR department. So I'm taking here HR department. Now click on next. Now here you need to take data in ascending order. So on the basis of salary, you have to take data in ascending or descending. You can take descending also. So I'm taking descending. Click on next. Now if I click on finish, so you will get only HR and management data. So see here. But if you want to apply the condition on salary also, so what I have to do, I have to pick only those data which salary is more than 35,000 in management department and less than 30,000 in HR department. So how we can take it? So you have to remove this one. So here I will take it. Okay, I will take another data extraction here. So go to data, go to other data source. You have this option. So here I'm taking Access database. Here I'm taking Manpreet database, and I want to take all the columns. Click on next. Here I want to take department equal to, and here I will take management and another column, another condition equal to, you have to take HR data also. So here I'm taking HR data. If you want to add more condition, you can take here. So here you will get same option, equal, greater than, equal to this option. So I'm taking only two condition. Next. So you want to sort your data in ascending order or descending order. So you have to take salary here. On the basis of salary, you have to sort your data. So click on descending, click on next. Now here I want to view the query. So here I want to edit the query, view data or edit query in Microsoft Query. So here I have clicked on Microsoft Query, click on finish. Now you can see here whatever data I'm going to extract, here you can view. But here I want to apply filter on salary column. So you have to click on this option, click here salary. Now here you need to pick the data which is more than 35,000 in management department and less than 30,000 in HR department. So I have added two conditions. If you are little bit aware about the SQL command, you have to go to SQL option and you can check your SQL command here. So you can easily understand this is a very basic query of SQL. So you have to click on this and now you can view your condition is giving this data. So your output will be this data. So you have to click on this data, return data option. Now you have to decide you want to take data in pivot, table, pivot chart. Click on OK. Now you can see here. This is the filtered data. I have transformed the data. This is a basic transformation. Of course, we have little bit data, so I have taken only basic transformation. So I have filtered data on department and salary. That's all for this video. I will come up with new video which will be little bit advanced. Okay, thank you so much.